Namaste friends, my name is Fatima Contractor and today I'm going to show you Jalneti. Jalneti is one of the Shatkriyas practiced for clearing the nasal passage. So people suffering from sinus problem, any respiratory issues or chronic cold and cough can practice Jalneti. Jalneti also comes in very handy due to the weather changes and it's very helpful during winters because we face cold and cough issues very regularly. So for this, we need a neti pot. This is the neti pot which is easily available online. You need this pot to be filled with lukewarm water. You can add table salt, rock salt, or any iodized salt which is available at home. Mix it in the lukewarm water and fill up the pot with that. You can have a napkin handy with you in case if your nose is runny or flowy. And after the whole Shatkriya practice, you would need to do Kapalbhati and blow up your nose. So after this, you filled up the pot, you require a bucket. If you're doing it in open, you don't require anything. But if you're doing it in the kitchen, you can go to the kitchen sink or do it. Or if you're doing it in the bedroom, you just need a bucket. Place it below where you're going to practice this. And so for this, the bucket is down and the pot is filled with the water. I push my hip out and I bend forward from my lower back. Alright. I tilt my head sideways, which is parallel to the floor. So when I'm placing the opening of this pot, the water will flow right from my one nostril and come out from the other nostril. So the water should flow into the bucket, which is why my face is parallel to the floor. And then I place this particular opening onto the nostril which is more flowy and active. So right now in my case, my right nostril is active. So I'm going to place this opening filled with the water over here in my right nostril and tilt my head, elevate my elbows, and if the water flows in, it will come out of my left nostril and flow into the bucket. So during the whole process while doing this, you have to breathe from your mouth. So while tilting the head and the water is passing through the passage, you're only breathing from your mouth. Inhalations and exhalations. After the entire session, it's very important to blow up your nose and clear the water. So you have to blow up your nostrils. You can practice it with alternate nostril also. Just close the left nostril and blow it out from your right. And then switch it. Close your right and blow it out with your left. And then with both the nostrils. And again, Kapalbhati, very important and imperative. So to dry up the entire water which has gone up. So it's very important to dry up the entire passage and clean it up. So Kapalbhati, do practice it for a good amount of time, say around 4 to 5 minutes. So this is how Kapalbhati is practiced with exhalations and gentle strokes on your belly. So after you feel that the entire water is drained out and it's completely dry, and here you are done. So it's very simple, do not fret upon it. Practicing Jalneti helps in a lot of respiratory problems. So do practice it once in a fortnight or once in a month at least to clear up the passage. Alright, let me know how this video, if it was helpful or not. Thank you so much.